Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Upgrade the pool deck from ordinary to extraordinary with the patented Artisan Series pool rails from S.R.Smith. Artisan Rails are designed to retrofit traditional pool railings. They bring an elegant, unique look to the deck. To remove the current railing, loosen the bolt under the escutcheon plate. Once the bolts have been loosened, lift the rail out of the anchor socket. Next, insert the Artisan Series rail and tighten the bolt. Remember to thread the escutcheon onto the rail before inserting into the anchor. It's that easy to add functional elegance to any pool. Look for the complete line of S.R.Smith Artisan Series rails, including ladders and handrails, at srsmith.com. Also, check out the curved, elegant design of the Meridian Series rails.
Thanks for watching.